Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today
We are going to London again.
we are going on a road trip to somewhere. This is my beautiful daughter.
That's me, the beautiful daughter.
Yeah. Baby OJ.
Now I'm under my dark shades, you can't see me. Now you see me, now you don't.
Oh, look at
Now
her.
you see me, now you don't.
Yeah. So we're going
Now you
on
see
a road
me,
trip.
now you don't.
So please like, subscribe, turn your notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. AJ run from it. Yes, I did. This is my another handsome baby boy.
John AXC.
Hiding in the back of the car.
Some chicken.
Hello, AJ. This boy is so strong. No, you know they.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are heading out to London.
Expensive, very
stressful.
very expensive. Living in London.
Very stressful.
I used to live in London for 18 years. Then I moved to Manchester for 4 years now. Ah, that's a long time. So guys, he's arguing with me over food, yeah? Yes. You think I must cook every single night? I may have a 5-month-old baby. I have a 5-month-old baby, yeah, which not sleep. Always a cry. That 5-year-old is as well. 5 months, 5 year, right there, yeah. All the house choice, baby crying, not getting enough sleep, headache, and every evening come home and get food. Every evening he come home and get food for him. So now we're going to London, and I cooked yesterday. So I said no point cooking excess amount of food, so it spoiled. Yes, I cook so when he come he can eat. Because me a Jamaican and me no like overnight food. Me no like it. We can't do like him.
That's why today we didn't eat at all. Now.
Yeah, I don't like stale food. I like
Baby,
to eat fresh food.
This is 2:35 and we not eat even
But you
nothing, no food at all since 2:35.
But you're in the bed lie down.
And we're going to London now.
Yes, but you're in the bed lie down. You're in the bed lie down, Robert. You could have get up and go get something to eat. You want me to carry food, come get in a bed like you're
get something where will I get something?
In the kitchen.
There's no food in the kitchen.
You know how to make stuff. You don't need food and not dinner time yet. You need breakfast. You could have make breakfast. Besides, nothing in our house. No egg, nothing today.
Didn't we go shopping?
But we never get egg. Did we get egg? Or anything we can make breakfast because you not like spend too much money. So we never really pick up egg. And this video need to post.
So without egg now, all those things we bought can't make food for us because we're traveling.
But why don't you make food? Because you said we go shopping and you said nothing today. Some say you could have gone make food. So I tell you that now. Whenever they go make food.
I was taking care of the baby. When
I was doing somebody here. I was plotting.
Don't shout now, just be talking.
Did you know what I was doing? I was doing a single plot.
But I was taking care of the baby. How can
I do single plot, so how am I going to do the cook food?
Why didn't you make enough food yesterday? Because you know we are traveling today. Eh? So if people are going to London today, no need to eat food.
No, but
and then what we eat because we are going to London. So
no,
we're not supposed to
our road trip, so we buy food on the way.
You see?
Yes.
London is costly.
And make some KFC.
KFC
yes, treat
is
yourself.
Costly and is rubbish food.
Yes, treat yourself.
Treat yourself.
Yes.
Treat yourself with.
I like treat. I'm a white person.
Food.
I'm not black.
Keep denying yourself. You're not white. You're not. This, that.
Why you lie down in our house so long? I don't get up.
I lie down. I'm taking care of.
So guys, so we stopped for some KFC. This my partner cannot be hungry. He just can't be hungry. Just love his stomach. I remember when we went to Jamaica, yeah? And this one, when the hunger reach him, that means when he's very hungry, yeah? He just drive, park up. Don't even ask for the price, yeah? And it's like 7 of us in one car. Because we put so many people in the car. Just order food for everybody. And by the time you know, when you get the bill, it's 8,000 Jamaican dollars. Then after we finish, his brother.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not alone. I'm not.
After I finish eat.
Yeah, if you look in front of us there, look. There are people, you know, eating in their cars and drinking in their cars. You see? So.
After he finished, after I finished eat the food, they said, my brother said to him, next time ask how much for it. After my brother done yam the food too, before I tell you to ask first, how much is the price? Yeah? Is there a KFC over there though?
Yeah, there's KFC.
Are you sure?
Yes. That's because KFC there is Greg.
Can you go and buy a box of KFC?
No, let's go eat there. I don't want to mess up.
Don't wanna.
This guy is gonna mess up again.
We're gonna sit in there and eat. I thought we were just gonna buy KFC for the road trip. So we eat it like.
But I need to eat now.
Yeah, so we're gonna buy it and have it eating while. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, then you waste time. See, I'm paying for the food.
Are you paying for it?
Oh, he changed
that's
his
why
mind.
you're showing camera.
He's changing his mind, so I'm gonna keep my money going.
Yes, even if it is
This is
once
baby
in a
money.
million
No,
years,
no,
you
no,
want
no.
to pay
Go on,
straight to
I'll
the
keep the
camera.
money.
See,
I am not giving it to you. I'm
Give
keeping
me
this
now.
money. No. Go and buy a box of KFC. But you know what? Me pay for it because I'm a customer for food already. I mean, I want to start. Mama say you have to take your money and buy takeaway. So let me pay for it. Bring back my change, please.
First time in history. Hey.
But it's okay because he will pay when he goes to London anyway.
I don't think it's gonna be enough.
Me, I always pay for food. I always pay for the takeaways because he don't like takeaways, so I always just pay for it because. So when I do that, he can't cuss. You get me? Yeah. So my baby wake.
Let me pick my card because I don't trust this money.
How much piece of KFC you gonna buy?
I don't.
But you have my card.
Do you want it?
There's nothing on it.
Let me take my card because this money is not going to be enough or it
Make
might
sure
be
so they
fake.
give you tie and leg,
No.
yeah?
Okay.
If you want to give me back my money, you give it back to me. Oh my God. My partner cannot bear hungry. He moans for food. Like, that's the hard part of this thing. When you have a 5-month-old, a 5-year-old, you have to do school run. Then you have to cook, clean. It's very, very hard. And man just think like, because they go out and come back home, they feel that's their job done. And with his job, it's hectic because he drive big old, he's a lorry driver, so when he come back in just tired and everything. It's not easy, it's hard. Yeah, but I didn't cook yesterday. I cooked yesterday, but I didn't cook a lot. I cooked small amount because we said we're going out today. And we're not coming back till tomorrow, so I don't want to cook food and then it waste. Yeah, I didn't want to cook the food and then it waste, but seems like I shouldn't have done that because he's moaning for food. Like, he's really moaning.
We have to take it out.
My money. See how much things they buy. But if this is a road trip, look in this parking lot. There's so many people here going to buy a box of KFC. This, even if you eat food home, you still have to eat on the way because it's a long drive. I don't know. He's too stuck up in his culture. Like they don't like to spend money and take away. Nothing. Robs, are you leaving the food in the back of the car?
What?
Are you leaving the KFC in the back of the car?
No, I didn't buy KFC. I bought chicken.
Why you didn't buy KFC? What you done go hit? That's why me give you the money now.
Oh, I bought real chicken.
You shouldn't buy that chicken. It's not gonna heat it.
Okay, when we get to the next place.
Yeah, but you that's the thing. You gotta think about your belly. You're not gonna think about Finn belly. I give you the money. You buy that. Look, that's a wasting of money what you do right now. You don't know how to spend money.
So KFC, I'm going to buy it now. How many should I buy for him?
No, listen. You see, you could have just buy a box of KFC. You get all 8 piece. But you buy one
much
small
would it be?
8 piece, and you buy one small tiny chicken like this. Let me see your show.
Yeah.
Three chicken.
For £8.
Oh, but you not put money in here then for when Jordan wake up. This car is gonna get dirty. Once you have family, it's gonna get dirty. We're gonna go get the chicken. We're gonna nap in this car and dirty it up. Simple. So it's raining. This is all we get in the UK all the time. Rain every day. You see, that's why we told you we can have 3 weather in one day. It was hot and nice a while ago, and now it's raining. Now we're getting rain. Can you imagine? As you can see here, you can see the rain falling outside, and he's gone outside with my baby. Nothing to cover him up. Yeah. My baby would say God don't like England. He only loves Jamaica. That's what.
I've stayed there forever and never come back here.
Where? Jamaica?
No, England.
What happened?
Look.
We should have stayed in Jamaica, you said.
Yeah, can't you notice the rain?
Yeah. Why should we stay in Jamaica?
It's sunny and nice.
You like it, innit? So guys, we're still in the parking lot trying to get something to eat. Told this man to buy 50, buy loads of roast chicken. Yeah? And it's not even hot. It's cold. I can't eat cold food. I know KFC is warm and hot and nice. I can't eat those supermarket roast chicken. I can't eat that. He can eat it, but I can't. I like flavored in my food. I like flavor. I'm a Jamaican woman. We love flavors. He's Nigerian. He can eat anything. I know me, Jamaican man love food, you know. They love their food, but you know, if you're going out, they would stop buy something to eat and don't make a fuss out of it. But with Nigerian, they don't like takeaway. They like cook food like every friggin' day. What the difference?
Oh, it's Burger King. There's no KFC. Just Burger King. All is there is burger this, burger that. The next one we have KFC.
Then Daddy, why didn't you buy Burger King?
No, you want KFC.
Yeah, but I like it, Burger King.
No, you don't. You don't like Burger King. You like KFC.
I think he's hungry.
Daddy, I do like. Daddy,
Everybody's hungry.
Daddy, I do like Burger King.
So what burger shall I get then? Or shall I drive to the next KFC?
How far is the next KFC?
I don't know.
Shall we Google KFC? Right now, pick up on my phone. So then, let's go to the other place and get a KFC.
Yeah, because the burger now, you just bite it.
Are you okay with that?
No, I won't. Daddy, remember when we were coming out of London and bought me KFC and Burger King?
Instead of buying Burger King, let's buy burger. Burger.
Yeah.
I don't really know what burger
Why
King
is his head not covered?
And Daddy.
Because he doesn't have any cover.
Daddy.
He does in the car.
Daddy.
Yeah?
Buy any juice that we bought when we were going out of London, okay?
Okay.
And that burger that we got, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Hamburger. Okay?
Okay.
And buy chips.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
This tea is cold.
And this thing
And it tastes, and the tea alone,
Mm.
you shouldn't have buy it because it tastes stale.
No, not the tea alone, everything. The tea and this thing.
Your milk tastes spoiled.
That is fast food for you now. When you don't cook at home, what do you expect?
I cook every day. What's your money high?
You don't cook and you don't talk well. You always shout. That is the worst part of it all. You know, you don't explain things.
Because you are pressuring me too much.
I come back from...
You are pressuring me.
from
I don't like living in those kind of places.
yeah.
I couldn't feel comfortable sleeping at night in those tall buildings at all. I don't like height places.
High-rise buildings.
Yeah, I don't like.
Don't cross yet. Don't cross yet. Just say hi to the camera before you cross. Say hi to the camera. Hi guys.
Bye.
Hi people. Bye.
Bye. We're gonna see you tomorrow.
What did he say? What did Judan say?
I said let's go make pee-pee. Jidan, what did you say? When I said let's go make pee-pee, what did you say?
Be back hands. Now we don't need to go in again. Is that right, Dad? Yeah. Not good, please. Go there. Not
Judan, there's a place where you can go and play.
After we make pee, you can go there.
I think it's closed. You think you're carrying a handbag?
Yes, of course.
My baby is not a handbag. Hold him properly.
So baby, lorry driver, if you see this, you know you have a shower here. This is baby care. Baby care, that means there is a place you can lay your baby down and change the pampers. So disabled people could come. Ladies and gentlemen. So ladies is this way. The yellow one here. Is that yellow one?
That's the woman.
Yes. That's the woman. And look how men's own is. Men is clean and white color. Women is yellow. Because of all their troubles.
And the white one is for men.
Yeah! Let's go for the white
One,
one.
because man nasty and piss up toilet seats.
Let's go to the white one, which is men.
Mom, you go on that one because you're a woman.
Yes! Yeah!
Are you taking my baby inside? I'll hold him till you come back.
Hey, the green vegetables. Hello!
Hello, Poppets. Hello, big boy. Hi. Hi, big boy.
He can't talk yet.
Can't he? Are you sure?
Yeah, he's a baby.
Oh, I figured. I thought you was a baby.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Wait. Go back a bit. Yeah. Now. Move it.
And show him the sign, then I'm the boiler.
If you know how many people are looking at you. Men, ladies. Who's going to the ladies now? Babies, shower, family, disabled, ladies. And there goes Judah.
Hold my. Yeah, can't really video. My storage is full.
Game play. There she comes.
If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it. If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it. If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it. If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it. If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it. If you like it, then you put the ring on it. If you like it, then you should put the ring on it.
Everywhere here in London, the sign is always up, low emission car restriction, low emission car restriction. Thank God we are not included.
Look at these people at the bus stop.
Yeah.
Oh, I think our bus stop never did our work.
Oh, the bus stop is working.
Yeah, but rail replacement.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why we don't see any bus. Normally, let's see.
Oh,
Yeah, we see one bus, isn't it? This one could be always busy. is right.